हळदोण्या पुलार लायटी नाशिल्ल्यान लोकांक बरोच त्रास जाता। खोर्जुवे आनी हळदोणेच्या लोकांनी निषेध म्हूण पुलार मेणवाती पेटोवन रॅली काढली। ह्या पुलार कितलेशेच भायले लोक येवन बसतात। राती विधीचे पुलावेल्यान चलत यो वच करपी लोकांक भिवन वचचें पडटा। लायटीचें काम रोखडेच सुरू जावपाचें आसा। कांय लोक बेटेच राजकारण करतात अशें आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो म्हणटा।
पर्रीकार सरकारान हो पूल बांदिल्लो। पूल पळोवपाक म्हूण कितलेशेच देशी विदेशी पर्यटक येतात। पूण रातच्या वेळार पुलार सगळो काळोख, एकय लायट पेटना। सरकाराक जाग हाडपा खातीर खोर्जुव्या आनी हळदोण्याच्या लोकांनी पुलार मेणवाती घेवन रॅली काडली। पुलावेल्यो लायटी सारके करपाचें काम सरकारान बेगीन सुरू केलें ना जाल्यार रस्तो आडोवपाची शिटकावणी लोकांनी दिल्या।
येवंक वचूंक रातच्या वेळार हांगा बरें उडसण जाता। पुलाचेर जायते लोक आसतात आनी लोकांक भिरांत दिसता। आनी ते लोक हांगासरले न्हय, गांवचे न्हय, ते गांवचे भायले।
19 तारखेर गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्याचो दीस आसा। 19 तारखेच्या पयलीं ही लायट म्हणटा ती आमकां घाललेली जाय पुलाचेर, नाजाल्यार 19 तारखेच्या नंतर सदांच हे काकाडे आनी मेणवाती आमी ह्या पुलार पेटयतले आनी पूल म्हणटा तो बंद करून उडयतले।
आनी आमी सदां वॉकाक येतालीं, ते पासून आतां स्टॉप जाला बिकॉज इतलो काळोख आसा। कोण आसता सायडीक कितें कोत्तात, चेडे फकाणां कोत्तात, कमेंट्स पास कोत्तात।
आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो म्हणटा लायटीच्या नांवान बेठेच राजकारण चल्लां। सरकार हें काम बेगीनच सुरू करपाचो आसा। ताचे फुके सवाय क्रेडीट घेवपाचो यत्न चल्ला असो आमदार ग्लेन टिकलोचो आरोप।
Knowing that the job is going to be started, so this man, they know that the work is going to start very soon. So हो ताणें फायदो घेतला, thinking that when the work starts tomorrow, that he should get the credit. What I'm trying to tell Mr. Panjekar, that he should not fool the people.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।
2013 5 सर्ती जिखून सानिया मिर्झान हे वर्स गाजयलें। आतां ताची नजर येता त्या वर्सा अनुपरस बरी कामगिरी करपाचेर आसा। आपल्याक संवसारीक नंबर 1 डबल्स प्लेयर जावपाचें आसा अशें सध्या नंबर 9 आशिल्ले सानिया म्हणटा। लुझोफोनिया गेम्साचे मास्कॉट लॉन्चा निमतान पद्मश्री आनी अर्जुन पुरस्कार जैतिवंत सानिया मिर्झा गोंयांत आयिल्ले।
You know, after Bethany got injured, I had to play with a Chinese girl, Zheng Ji, and even though we played together for the first time, we won a tournament and then we played semi-finals of US Open. So, you know, it was a good year and it was a tough decision to move to Kara after that because I think we wanted to focus on someone who's playing just doubles. And then it obviously clicked. We won. We haven't lost a match yet. So, you know, we decided to play next year together, and you know, we're hoping for a better, you know, if not a better, the same 2014 as 2013.
The Australian Open coming up next month. So, is she gonna come here to prepare with you?
She is already in Hyderabad. Today is our day off. That's why I'm here. I'm flying back tomorrow morning. So she is here. She's been here for a couple of weeks now already.
So, what would you work on to win a slam, win a Grand Slam?
Well, there are many things we need to work on. I think that it's a good thing that we won 2 tournaments. We beat the number 1 pair of the world, and we still need to work on things. That's obviously a positive, and you know, we need to fine-tune some things and try and you know, find ourselves together because we've played only 2 tournaments together. So definitely one of the goals is to try and win a slam, but obviously try and win as many tournaments as possible.
I read in one interview that you want to be the world number 1. So to be the world number 1 in doubles, what do you have to do?
I need another year like 2013. You know, I'm 9 in the world and I'm very happy, and obviously when you're 9 in the world, you want to aim to be better than that next year, and I hope that you know, I can get to top 5 and then eventually to number 1 in the world.
Do you think the overall Indian tennis has grown? So we see that we just have few names to tell people about in the men's tennis as well as women.
Yeah, I think that the men are a lot better than women are, but I think that what we were 10 years ago, it's grown immensely. In terms of popularity, I think we've become the number 2 sport in the country where people know what tennis is, people understand what tennis is, and I think that because 10 years ago people used to, when I said I played tennis, they didn't know if it was table tennis or lawn tennis, you know, they didn't know that lawn tennis was just called tennis. So I think that in terms of that we've come a long way, but it's about putting a system together to try and help young kids nurture and get better and I think physically build, and you know, that's what we are trying to do also through the ITPA, which is the Indian Tennis Players Association. We are trying to raise funds to try and help the younger players coming up. Sport is the only place where our Olympics or Asian Games or a Lusophonia Games or Commonwealth Games are the only places जहाँ पे सारे देश के अलग अलग लोग, अलग अलग रेस के लोग एक साथ रहते हैं, एंड nobody ever thinks about that. And I think that's great for a country, and I think that's great for just on humanitarian ground. It's great. And the number two thing is, I think it's great for a country like India to understand other sports and to see international athletes from other countries.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.